A long-term survival guide. 101 ways to start a fire. Fire is a useful survival tool, but how many ways are there for getting a fire started? Here is a modest list of various types of fire starting methods, grouped into rough general categories. Sunlight-based. Concentrating sunlight to create enough heat for ignition is one of the easiest ways to start a fire, but it also has several limitations. These methods only work on sunny days, so they are useless at night and in fog, rain, snow, or overcast conditions. All sunlight-based methods work better when the sun is hot and intense. Noon is best, and not as well, or none at all, if sunlight is weak, at morning, evening, or in winter. Number 1. Magnifying glass. Almost any magnifying glass can be used to focus sunlight into a hot spot that will ignite tinder, if the sun is reasonably strong. Works with both glass lenses and plastic lenses. Number 2. Fresnel lens. A Fresnel lens is just a regular lens that has been flattened by having the curve of the lens divided into 2 steps or segments. Fresnel lenses are available as large plastic magnifiers, usually the size of a sheet of paper, and smaller wallet-sized magnifiers. Both work, but larger is better. Number 3. Clear glass or acrylic balls. Clear glass or plastic spheres of various sizes can be used as lenses for concentrating sunlight. The acrylic balls actually transmit more sunlight than glass spheres. Number 4. Improvised lens glasses. It is possible to use glasses to start a fire, but not as easy as you might think. Reading glasses are often simple magnifying lenses and work okay if the magnification is high enough. But most prescription glasses nowadays have specific shapes that do not work as well. Even so, you can often get success if you carefully bead a blob of clear water onto the top of the lens to make a more effective lens shape. Hold the glasses still to avoid spilling the water, and move the tinder bundle, not the glasses, to find the best focal spot. Number 5. Improvised lens binoculars. Many optical devices contain lenses, which can be removed for use as sunlight-based fire starters. Some work just fine as is without needing to take them apart. Binoculars can be used to start fires by pointing the large end at the sun, and then finding the focal spot at the small end. At the small end, this is why it is a very bad idea to look at the sun through binoculars. Items 6, 7, 8, and 9 work the same way. With variable power optics, higher magnification settings usually work better than lower settings. Number 6. Improvised lens, monocular. 7. Improvised lens, telescope or spotting scope. Number 8. Improvised lens, rifle scope. Number 9. Improvised lens, camera lens. Number 10. Improvised lens, clear ice. It is possible to make a serviceable lens from clear ice and use it to start a fire under good conditions. The ice must be clear, and clear ice is usually only found alongside running streams. You can also boil water to remove the air, then freeze it to get clear ice to practice with. An ice lens must be fairly large to work, as big as your hand or larger, and the edges must have a fairly severe bevel, so it must also be 3 or 4 inches thick. Number 11. Improvised lens, clear bottle, and clear water. A clear plastic bottle can work as a lens, but only if the top is curved, like example shown, and only if it is filled with clear water. Number 7. Improvised lens, clear balloon. A clear balloon can be filled with enough clear water to make a spherical lens, and it will work. But clear balloons are not a very common item. 13. Improvised lens, clear plastic bag. A clear plastic bag can be used as an improvised lens by adding clear water and twisting part of the bag into a sphere shape. It needs to be 3 or 4 inches across to work well. Items 14 and 15 can be used in the same way. 4. Improvised lens, clear condom. Number 5. Improvised lens, clear plastic wrap, cling wrap or saran wrap, or clear plastic from a garment bag. Number 16. Improvised lens, clear light bulbs and water. Clear light bulbs will also work as improved lenses for sunlight-based fire starting, if the elements are removed and the glass bulb is filled with clear water. Number 17. Improvised lens, clear wine glass and water. The right size and shape of wine glass can be used with clear water to form a lens. Hold the glass tilted at an angle as shown to get an unseeable lens shape.